This is Anton from Drive Stick Shift, and today we're changing a hood latch on a 2002 Honda Civic. That is the 7th gen Honda Civic, everything I believe from like 2001 to 2005. You know, if she looks something like this. And if she looks something like this, and your hood, doesn't always close all the way, maybe you're a latch. Latches, they get old, they get worn out with time, so really not an uncommon thing, and overall also a ridiculously easy job to do. So let's dive into it and see how we're going to take care of this. All right, so first thing we want to do is just remove this plastic cowl piece. To get this kind of a pry tool, it's effortless. If you have to use anything else, it's really not that difficult. All you do is just pop this guy out, pry something under, then you pull out, it also put out this bottom tab. To be honest, these are not in bad condition. Usually I'm used to a car of this age being a lot more rusty or being a lot more corroded through. Alright. Sorry, boop. Pull that guy out. I think we got one more guy right over here. There we go. Alright. Well, it looks like the whole grill has to come out, which I'm personally not inclined to do. Take out the whole grill. What I'm seeing right now, we got 3 bolts. 1, 2, and the third one right here. I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say they're 10 millimeter because I'm just getting this funny little sensation that they are. Oh my god, look at that, they are 10 millimeter. Yeah, it's 2 down. And of course that one has to be a little bit more tricky, but not a problem. I think the wrench would be the solution here. Ratcheting wrench, which I actually have inside. I'm just being lazy. Alright, I got over my laziness. There we go. Now I'm going to take our 3 bolts, put them up there. Alright, time to change camera angles. Okay, so we have our 3 bolts out. We just have this pried off for a little bit. You can see there's one cable. The hood latch is zip tied on. So I'll just plug that zip tie. And now oh wait, this has been oiled a lot of times. Okay. So we've done this tooth and then the spring in. There we go. And we have them out. Definitely seen some brighter days. Pull life of service, that's what you got. That's what he's looking like. And this is our replacement. Oh, sorry, part number. Sorry, part number. Alright, looking good. So it does look like a good fit. We're going to start in reverse order installing it. Head back. We can just sneak our cable in to the side, and it lands on that tooth right there. And ideally, usually this part can go in here, or maybe even it was this part that is now broken off. And actually, we had a zip tie on the old one. Alright, so okay. There we go. They think it's gonna be easy. Oh, it has a break out. So easy. When it has just a little bit of extra attention that it requires. Okay, just getting them on hand tight, fairly even. So just get one bolt from this side on, so you can get the full tab down over the cowl. And on this Civic, it's got to pick up about which bolt it wants where, and that's fine. 24 years of life, I guess. And those bolts, I like it where they were at. This one I tighten one of them up, so it's not going to be dancing around so freely. So now we got one tightened in there. of spinning in there very freely. But it's holding oddly enough. Like I tried to pull it out. It doesn't come out. To its credit. And I'll see if we can get the bottom one in. Let's go back this way. There we go. Now we just got to make sure to put in the clips, and we're all done. There goes one. There goes two. Okay, let's come apart for us. Behind him. Three. And the last one, maybe even with the camera, I think you can imagine. 4. All right. Okay, and that's it. This is our old, rusty, crusty hood latch, and our new one's in. Not too hard. A little bit of a messy job, but very easy. You just need a 10 millimeter, maybe some pliers, maybe one toothpicks to get out the little clips for the shroud. But otherwise, hopefully you found this helpful. Oh, actually, one last thing. We got a tester. And moment of truth. Nice. Now that's half the battle. She closes, and we didn't have that before. She would always just kind of latch, not lock. And now let's see if she opens. Ooh. And the last part of it, beautiful. All right. That is a success. So guys, in case you do have a hood latch that's not fully latching, maybe it's giving you some difficulty opening. I've been there. That's a really miserable situation. Had that actually in my old Honda Civic, not this one. This is my neighbor's car. There, the hood would not open. I had to actually have my mechanic get a grinder, and he chopped out this part where this hood was, where this hook was on the hood, and I had to get a whole new hood. Anyway, hopefully you're not in that situation. If you are, you probably still need to change the latch. You know how. Anyway, guys, hopefully you found this helpful. If you're still keeping a 7th gen Honda Civic alive, good on you. Don't be scared of a used car. She can take you far with a little love and care. She'll keep on running.